Hello friends, now we will discuss about rate equation of zero order reaction. Let us consider a reaction where A gives the product. When time is 0, concentration of A is small a, actually molar concentration, and the concentration of product is 0 because the reaction just starts. When time becomes t second, concentration of the product is x and concentration of the reactant is A minus x. Now the rate of the reaction, that is minus dA dt, is equal to some constant K into molar concentration of reactant to the power 0. Why 0? Because the reaction is 0 order, or minus d of A minus x by dt equal to K, because anything to the power 0 is 1. Now A is constant, so dA dt is 0. So the equation becomes dx dt equal to K, or dx equal to K into dt. If we integrate both sides, we get x equal to K into t plus z. Z is integration constant. When time is 0, x is 0, so z is also 0. That means the value of integration constant z is 0. Therefore, the equation becomes x equal to kt. Now, if the concentration of the reactant when time is 0 is written as, if the concentration of the reactant when time is 0 is A0, and concentration of the reactant after time t is A, then x can be replaced by A0 minus A. So in place of x, we can write A0 minus A, and the equation becomes A0 minus A equal to Kt, or A0 equal to Kt plus A, or we can write molar concentration of A equal to A0 plus Kt. And from this equation, we can draw a graph like that. If we plot time along x-axis and concentration of the reactant along y-axis, we will get a straight line which is not passing through the origin, and the straight line meet the concentration axis. The value of this is A0. Now the integrated form of zero order reaction is x equal to Kt. This equation we have derived already. When T is equal to T half, that is when half of the reaction occurs, then x is equal to A by 2, where A is the initial concentration of the reactant. So in place of X, we can write A by 2, and in place of T, we can write T half. Therefore, not A by A, it is A by 2. Therefore, T half equal to A by 2K. This is the equation for half-life period of a zero order reaction. Thank you.
For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.